Hi, hello everyone. My name is Noura and this video it will be my first video in English. So in this video I am thinking to do a video like a 1 week what we eat with my husband, and this week I want to try new dishes, new meals that my husband he didn't try in his life. So let's start our video. It will be Somalian, it will be Russian, I thinking, and also Italian, and also Indian, and also Turkish maybe because he is Turkish and I am Somalia. We sometimes do Turkish food, sometimes we do Somalian food, but for myself, yeah, I like Turkish cuisines. It's so tasty. So most of the time I do Turkish foods, most of the time. Sometimes I really miss my home food, so I do Somalian food also. There is food that I like, malawa, pasta sugo. There's a lot of, also we have a lot of good foods. And if you don't know very much about Somalian food, please search it.
Fridge, but he told me I don't need it. Güzel. Ama gene görsem tanımam yani lazanya.